Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best projector for projection mapping. Since it is a bit different than projecting on a screen, certain points need to be considered before you can buy one. The best projector for projection mapping will be one with high brightness and an incredible resolution. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best projector for projection mapping. Number 1. Mir YG300 Projector for Projection Mapping. Mir Pico iPhone Projector is another super portable and super compact projector. The Mir also features incredibly user-friendly controls, with buttons that are easy to press and clearly labeled. It features a tough exterior casing that can handle drops and bumps with ease. It features 240p resolution and 400 lumens of lamp brightness. The Mir has had to make some trade-offs when it comes to picture quality and brightness. Number 2. Goody YG600 Projector for Projection Mapping. Goody YG600, one of the best projector for projection mapping. The Goody video projector is one that can be used in multiple spaces to entertain crowds of varying sizes. 3000:1 contrast ratio increases color depths in tighter spaces. It helps to breathe life into the 2D projections to make them truly seen 3D. The 3W speakers with SRS sound provide a loud audio that can perfectly complement events while projection mapping. Number 3. Goody YG200 Projector for Projection Mapping. The Goody YG200 is the best budget projector for iPhones. The projector is also bright enough to work well in dark rooms or other spaces with minimal ambient light. YG200 features a 480p resolution on a display that can be sized upwards of 60 inches. Where the Goody really shines, though, is in its overall build quality. Its compact size is more durable than other options and holds up well when carried around in bags or pockets. Number 4. TopVision 5500L Projector for Projection Mapping. TopVision 5500L Portable, one of the best iPhone projector. The TopVision Mini projector features a solid 480p resolution, plus an impressive 3000:1 dynamic contrast ratio. You can also attach other multimedia devices like Amazon Fire TV sticks. The TopVision also features an SD card slot and dual USB flash drive slots for more versatility. It even features 2200 lumens of brightness. With all of these image quality features combined, you get a bright and colorful display. Number 5. Anker D4111 Projector for Projection Mapping. The Anker Nebula projector is a portable can-shaped mini projector. It is super easy to operate. We found a native output of 720p HD and up to 120 inches of display on this projector. It is designed with a DLP technology that outputs 200 lumens of light. It also comes with integrated loudspeakers and a built-in battery. It produces a rectangular, ultra-sharp image from all angles, thanks to an inbuilt keystoning and autofocus technology.